if you try to see here, we can also provide an alias value to the input thing. For example, let's say that when you are trying to pass this age as a component, as an input property, so you can use the student age as an input property, whereas in the component you can use it as an age. So whereas the last name, if you try to see here, this is a required field. So that means must and should we need to provide the required field. So now for example, let's say that if you want to check the output for this one, so here I am sending the input properties as first name, last name and student age. So student age means this is an alias name. And if you see the output for this one, so here you will be able to see the first name, last name and age has been added to here in this one. So this is how we will be providing the data for this one. So here if you try to see, so this is how we will be providing the data. So like this. So this is the input thing, which we can use it as an what I want to say is as a signal input property. So I will be providing the full video link below to the chat. For more details you can watch that video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel.